Okay, so I want to build a self-standing robot by myself. The idea that I had was to have a big box with two motors at the bottom of it, with the logic inside of it, so that when the box starts leaning, the motor will try to compensate to try to keep the box vertical. For this project, I'm going to use an Arduino Nano, a 6-volt motor, this dual H-bridge motor driver. But first I wanted to make a test. So I came up with this, a small car in a shoebox with a bunch of cables. Nothing except the motors are attached to anything, but I think it's okay for a simple test. With a simple program, I was able to make him move forward, backward, rotate to the right, and rotate to the left. After that, I wanted to try the MPU with this little setup, where based on the rotation of this component, it will change the rotation of the motor. So it turns on the left, and now it turns on the right. Of course, with a program that simple, when the angle is near 0, the robot will start to shake because it will overcompensate any deviation, which will lead to a fall. To upgrade my code, I will put my system in a closed loop. For those who don't know what it is, it's something that looks like this, where as the input you have the angle that you want. For our example, the target angle is 0 degrees. And thanks to a control block, it will give the PWM signal that we want for our motors. And as you can see, I replaced the box with some building blocks to make something more solid. After some fine-tuning, the robot will only stand up straight for a few seconds before falling, which means that our controller works, but the problem is somewhere else. You can also see that it starts spinning for no reason. After some investigations, I understood why the robot was not working. It was due to the poorly made motors that I was using. As you can see, even with the same input, this one starts first, and then the second one. They also have a lack of torque, which is why when it starts leaning too much, it can't compensate.